Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. I am Shashi Rai. On April 11, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said that India is ready to work quickly to make a trade deal with the United States. He mentioned that the US had changed the way it deals with the world, and this change is affecting many areas. Speaking at the Carnegie Global Technology Summit, Jaishankar said that trade deals with the US are tough because the US is very ambitious. Also, the global situation is very different now compared to last year's. This time we are prepared to move quickly. We see a chance and we want to take it, Jaishankar said. He added that while trade deals are not directly his responsibility, both sides are serious and know what they want to achieve. India's industrial production grew by just 2.9% in February 2025, which is the slowest in the last 6 months, mainly because of weak performance in manufacturing, mining, and electricity sectors. According to government data released on Friday, the government also updated January 2025's industrial growth from 5% to 5.2%. In comparison, factory output had grown by 5.6% in February 2024. The last time growth was this low was in August 2024. Manufacturing grew only 2.9% compared to a 4.9% in February 2024. Due to the ongoing trade tensions started by US President Donald Trump, the stock market is uncertain, and as a result, people are investing less in equity mutual funds. According to the Association of Mutual Funds in India, the amount of money flowing into equity mutual funds fell by 14% in March 2025. The inflow was 25,082 crore rupees in March compared to 29,303 crore rupees in February, 39,688 crore rupees in January, and 41,156 crore rupees in December. This shows a steady decline over the past 3 months. However, some types of mutual funds still did well. FlexiCap funds received the most investment in March, 5,615 crore rupees, up from 5,104 crore rupees in February. Small cap funds came next with the 4,092 crore rupees, also up from 3,722 crore rupees in February. Even though US President Donald Trump has paused his trade moves, the US dollar has dropped sharply. This is because investors are losing faith in the US economy and moving their money to safe options like gold and other strong currencies. Usually during market volatility, people invest more in the dollar, but this time the opposite is happening. Just a few hours before announcing a 90-day pause on tariffs, US President Donald Trump posted on his social media platform, Truth Social, saying this is a great time to buy, and signed it with his initials DZT. Interestingly, DZT is also the stock symbol of his own company, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. This message came at a time when the stock market was still down because of the growing trade tensions, especially with China. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.